Hey everyone, this is Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading. This is your weekly analysis for the Dow Jones Industrial, Dow 30, blue chip stocks, the stock market, as most people equate the DJIA headline number with. If you want to stay up to date with all of our currency pair videos, crypto videos, and otherwise, please make sure you click subscribe so you can stay in tune. All right, so I'm looking at the daily chart for the Dow Jones. So if we back it up a little bit, look at the weekly, right? We see the multi-year trend, 2012. This goes all the way back to the 2009 crash. And if we look at the trend channel like this, this is my concern. Okay, so here we go. Look at this multi-year trend. Goes back years and years and years. And you can see, you can draw this trend line. Even though it's an uptrend, you can kind of draw the top too, right? You can draw the ceiling. It really honors that line, if you will. And then up here, when price makes a break upwards, when it comes back to rest, it comes back there. And we can see that throughout 2018, 2019, every time that price attempted to go down below, traders were like, okay, great, another great buy, another great buy. Ooh, drop down here, another great buy. Let's go ahead and map out support there. So my concern comes, we are moving back above the weekly fast-moving average. However, the first attempt to come back up and retrace was swatted down. Now we have the second attempt happened the last couple of weeks. So the first week, we see 3 weeks ago, excuse me, the Dow did not close above like this 26,750. We see the next week it tried again, and it didn't. And this one's bearish, right? We have this bullish candle. This one's bearish. Now, that doesn't mean a whole lot by itself. The last week came. Prices dropped again. Like we see here in the back, prices dropped. Traders bought. However, they didn't buy enough. The bulls didn't rally enough to push above resistance. Let's go ahead and look at this in daily sense. So here we see 2 straight days of buying when, even though there was enough buying to propel prices upwards, it was still a bearish candle, meaning prices still closed lower than they opened. Okay, now we do a lot of trading on this channel with moving averages, especially the fast, because they're a very practical or simple way to trade. Prices fall under the moving average, close well above it, price goes down. Price moves above the moving average, price goes up. Now you've got these periods when price goes sideways and it can throw some false signals. You gotta watch that. So who knows? This could easily, price could peak above here, but so far twice it's been declined for 27,000. This looks a lot like some of the other charts we're looking at this week. So if we take this 4-hour and we do this, that's still officially bullish. Right? This looks a lot like the oil chart. That's it. So this is still officially bullish. And price was here, and as long as we keep pressing upwards and we can close above 27,000, then I will say I'm bullish. But until then, until prices really pick up, I'm kind of bearish. I'm also bearish from a fundamental point of view that GDP dropped, what, 32% or something, quarter over quarter, due to COVID. So if the Dow's, be dependent on earnings and such for the next who knows how long, I'm not super bullish. Also, the smaller trend always loses out to the bigger trend. Now, the Dow's been on a tear for years. If it had a little bit of a retrace, let's go ahead and look at the bigger picture. Now, I don't think it's going to be bearish forever, right? So if we go here and we draw a parallel, and we go here, there's a chance we're just going to see the Dow go right back to this 25,000. That's why I have a target at 25,000. So for me, as a guy who hasn't retired yet and is still interested in buying portfolios and, propping up my 401k and my IRAs, I'm saying, okay, cool. Well, I'm okay if it takes till 2021 and comes back down to 25,000 as the average, and I can get, baskets of currencies for stocks with much cheaper. That's okay with me. So I think short-term bearish. This is also a super steep uptrend. It needs some time to consolidate. I think we're going to see the Dow yawn over to about 25,000 into early 2021, and then buying back on. All right, everyone. Stay safe out there. Hope to make lots of money trading. Bye.